Stolzberg, and I'm here with Vinny at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace, and we're about to get a little fancy today. What are we doing?
We are going to attempt to make beef bourguignon in 1 minute. Pancetta is the Italian version of bacon. That's gonna go in. We are also gonna cook down our mushrooms and our cipollini onion in the rendered down fat from the pancetta. And we're gonna coat all the beef in the flour. We seared our beef nice and nice. This is the color I'm looking for right here. The onions, the carrots are in. We're gonna add in a little bit of chopped garlic now. It wouldn't be a beef bourguignon without a nice burgundy wine. A little marinara in. Beef stock right here. Now we're gonna take our beef.
Your whole face changes when you say it.
Beef. Garni bouquet right in. And we're gonna go in the oven for like 3 hours to start. After 3 hours, I'm gonna add that in and put it in for one last hour. And let's see how it comes out. Wow.
Wow.
Look at that, Lily.
Oh, I love it.
That's beef bourguignon.
It is worth every hour that you spend on this. So go ahead, try this. The recipe's on our website, news12.com. Amazing.
Au revoir.